Hi, Liz.
Hello, Clara.
I heard that you know a lot about animals. Can you tell me what is happening with them?
Yes, of course I can. Lots of animals are getting endangered and soon extinct. We are losing animals day by day. We need to save them, and here you will learn how. Saving animals is very simple and there are tons of ways to save them. For example, stop littering. Littering causes lots of animals to get endangered. Trash and garbage isn't good for their environment anyways. Another very common example is hunting. Hunting is very destructive to their environment. For example, hunting elephants to take their tusks or cutting rhinos' horns off.
Wow, Liz! Did you know that you can turn an endangered animal into a success story?
Whoa! What is a success story?
A success story is when a certain endangered animal becomes less endangered, which means its population grows.
Hello humans! I'm Dugga the dog, and I will be saying the success story of my friend, the grizzly bear. Ruff ruff!
Hi!
It's been hunted by human hunters. And then their numbers were decreasing very quickly. Then the humans kept the bears and took care of them in the Yellowstone National Park in the US to save them. Their numbers rose from 200 to 600 bears in the Yellowstone.
That's awesome!
Now we will talk about my other friend, the Florida panther.
Hey there!
Their habitat has been lost, which makes their life harder to find food and makes them starve to death. Their species went below 50 panthers. Their species today is below 100, which is very bad. But without the Endangered Species Act protections, they would probably be extinct, which means gone forever!
It's true! Thank you, human helpers, for helping us!
We will talk about the bald eagle. But where is he?
Sorry I'm late, everyone.
In the 1960s, over 500 eagles were left in America. By the late 1960s, only 400 were left. Now, thanks to the Endangered Species Act protections, there are over 7,000 eagles today.
Yay!